Welcome back to Tech Talk, your ultimate destination for all things server technologies and performance optimization tips. In today's quick and insightful showdown, we're putting the spotlight on three industry giants: Nginx, Apache, and HAProxy. Which one will emerge as the top choice for your specific web server setup needs? Let's dive in and find out in just 3 minutes. First up, let's get down to basics. What exactly are they, and what role do they play? Apache stands as the oldest and remains one of the most widely used web servers in the digital landscape. It operates using a process-based model, which means that each new connection initiates a brand new thread. Nginx is recognized as a high. It's particularly known for efficiently handling a large number of concurrent connections, thanks to its event-driven architecture. HAProxy is a little different, as it isn't a web server itself. Instead, it functions as a load balancer and proxy server. It's specifically designed for intelligently distributing incoming network traffic across a cluster of multiple servers. Let's talk performance. When it comes to web servers, the question always is, who wins in a head-to-head comparison? Let's dive into the specifics. Apache is known for its reliability and extensive module support, but it often struggles under the weight of high concurrency. Nginx shines brightly here. It's designed to be lightweight and exceptionally fast, excelling at serving static content much faster than its counterparts. HAProxy isn't designed for serving content directly. However, when strategically used in conjunction with Nginx or Apache, it can efficiently balance the load across multiple servers. This reduces bottlenecks and significantly improves overall uptime. So, if your application anticipates thousands of simultaneous users, Nginx or HAProxy is definitely the better choice to handle the traffic. Each server has its own sweet spot, a specific set of conditions where it truly excels. Use Apache if you heavily rely on access files for configuration, need a wide range of modular features, or are running legacy PHP applications. Choose Nginx for modern, scalable applications, particularly those that require a reverse proxy setup or benefit from robust caching mechanisms. Integrate HAProxy when your goal is to scale horizontally across multiple servers, or when you need robust failover support. It's a common and effective solution in enterprise and cloud deployments. Want the best of all worlds, a truly optimized setup? You can combine them to create a powerful and flexible architecture. Use HAProxy as the front-end load balancer, acting as the gatekeeper. Then route traffic intelligently to Nginx or Apache backends depending on content type, specific application needs, or server load. This hybrid setup is very common and indeed quite effective in high-availability systems and complex web applications. So, Nginx is the speed king, Apache is the all-rounder, and HAProxy is the traffic controller orchestrating the flow. The best choice ultimately depends on your specific application, the volume of traffic, and your long-term scaling needs. Smash that like button if this video helped you understand these technologies. Subscribe to Tech Talk for more tech explainers in under 5 minutes. See you in the next one. Comment below. Which one do you primarily use? Apache, Nginx, or HAProxy? We're curious to hear your experiences.